We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
The hand is man's most complex tool. We use it to solve a wide range of everyday tasks. It can squeeze hard, it can grip sensitively, it can feel. It has incredible fine motoric skills. For us at Festo, it was therefore only natural to transfer this miracle of nature into technology. During the development of the pneumatic hand, I was responsible for the sensors and the software. For example, I developed the motherboard for the sensors, which I also selected and installed here, and can now get readouts with my own software. Our goal was to get as close as possible to the function of a human hand. To achieve this, we have opted for a pneumatic solution. In addition, we had to integrate the electronics and sensors, as well as the valves in a very confined space. In the current project, we want to equip the soft hand with artificial intelligence to rotate objects like this dodecahedron in your hand. The whole thing is implemented with reinforcement learning. A trial and error procedure is used in which successful actions are transferred to the controller as points of success. And the controller becomes better and better and learns to turn the object. If we were to learn the whole thing with a real hand, it would take us months. In order to do this in a simulation, we first have to create a digital twin. This involves identifying the physical properties of the soft hand and transferring them to the simulation. And then we do that with 3D cameras, depth sensors, and various algorithms. When we have the simulation on the digital twin, we can then do the whole thing 1,000 times. We can carry out massive parallel learning. This has the advantage that when one hand learns something, the knowledge is distributed to all other hands, and thus we can complete the task of several months in a very short time. In the factory of tomorrow, flexible and self-learning systems will shape the production processes. With the BionicSoftHand, we have now taken a decisive step towards developing a gripper that is capable of learning. This offers incredible potential for the future.